The purpose of this video is to set out who the team is for your real estate transaction you're about to embark on, and make sure you know no matter who's involved in your file, whether it's an assistant, clerk, or lawyer, I'm always your number one point of contact. You can call or email me anytime at the office, on my cell phone, or my email, and I will get back to you with an answer to your question. So again, thanks so much, and we're going to talk about the procedure and what you can expect now in the process of your sale. So as I mentioned, the purpose of this video is to give you a better idea of what you can expect and the steps that are going to follow now that your file is open for processing. The first thing that's going to happen is your file is going to be open. What's important for you to do now is to listen to this whole video and thoroughly read the email and any attachments that are included with the email. By doing so, we'll give you a great foundation to springboard and have your file processed with our team. The very next thing that will end up happening is after you've read everything and listened to this video, you'll be able to fill out and return what we call our file opening documents. Those documents are our retainer agreement, our ID request and ID form, and the sale information form. By completing all of these documents and returning them to us in a very prompt and timely manner will allow us to review them, and if there's any missing information or questions we have, get back to you quickly to deal with any deficiencies. Otherwise, if everything's been returned perfectly, which I'm sure they will be because you guys are rock stars, we will be able to turn around and process your file very effectively. And so by doing so, make sure, hopefully, you have a fantastic experience with our firm. Some of the key things to take into consideration when you're filling in the forms are going to be full legal names, your dates of birth, your marital status, making sure the retainer agreement is signed by all of the clients, as well as dated and witnessed. So these are some key things that will help you when you're returning the documents to us. Opening email will also give you a list or a checklist of items that we require on your sale. With those items, there are things like the void check, where you want us your net proceeds to go. If you have a mortgage or secured line of credit or both, we're going to need a statement. It doesn't need to be the most recent statement, but just one that shows a balance of what was owed at a point in time and the mortgage reference number or the secured line of credit reference number. If you have questions and you're not sure what that is, just give us a call. Happy to help you figure that out. The important thing is getting the void check, the documents with the mortgage and secured line of credit back timely so we can make the request to get the discharge statements for the closing date. And then also with a sale, we will need to have your property tax bill so we can properly request and verify the tax certificate for your adjustments on closing. With all of those things being returned to us, we'll be able to process very timely your sale file. And then the week of your closing, you'll have an appointment set up, usually 1 or 2 business days prior to the closing date, so you can sign with us, ask any last questions, and once everything is signed up, it'll be left with us to process and close on your actual day of closing, which means money will come from the buyers, we will do registrations with the buyer's lawyer, and the deal will be completed. And then you should expect within 1 to 2 business days of your closing, wire directly into your account your net proceeds of sale. And we will handle all of the payouts of any registered debts, which would be your mortgage, secured line of credit, and bridge loan. If there is anything else that needs to be taken care of, those would be specific items that we would deal with on your file on a one-on-one basis as it pertains to your file. But these are the high-level, broad items that if we follow together and work together, will make your file a success and make it a very smooth, exciting process to be involved in. Thanks very much, guys. We really appreciate you being part of the Carson Law family, and feel free to reach out to us on other exciting items that we can help you with, like investing some of this sale money possibly. We could help you with your wills and powers of attorney, and if you're involved in a business, we'd be happy to give you a free consultation about possible business needs that you need help with. You take care and have a great day.